Now you see, look at the following ordered pairs x comma y of numbers as the points in the Cartesian plane. What are given here? A minus 3 comma 7, B 0 comma minus 3.5, C minus 3 comma minus 1, D 4 comma 4, E 2 comma minus 3. So here minus 3 comma 7, minus 3 x coordinate minus 3, so 1, 2, 3 minus 3 and 7 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This point will give you A. Next B 0 comma minus 3.0. 0 means here only minus 3.5. So minus 3 for 1, 2, 3. Then 3.5 is between somewhere here. So this will be the point B. Next minus 1 comma minus 3. Minus 1 comma minus 3. So definitely it will be here. Minus 1 comma minus 3. Next D 4 comma 4, 4 comma 4, it will be here, 4 comma 4, it will be D. Next E 2 comma minus 3, 2, then minus 3 here, this point will give you E. So this is how to plot the point in the Cartesian plane. Now let us see exercise 3.3 of our textbook. Question number 1, in which quadrant or on which axis each of the following points, some points given here, lie, and also verify the answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So now we see this question. See this question, exercise 3.3, class 9, exercise 3.3. Question number 1, in which quadrant or on which axis, on which axis do each of the points minus 2 comma 4, 3 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 0, 1 comma 2 and minus 3 comma minus 5 lie. Also verify by plotting them in Cartesian plane. By Cartesian, this is the question number 1 of exercise 3.3 of our textbook. So here, first of all, you have to say in which quadrant these points lie, and then we have to verify by plotting them in the graph paper. So I'll write only this thing in which quadrant they lie, and you will try to plot the point at home in your graph paper. So solution, minus 2 comma 4, definitely this will lies in second quadrant. Then 3 comma minus 1 lies in fourth quadrant. Second quadrant is fourth quadrant. Then minus 1 comma 0. here y coordinate is 0, so definitely it lies on x-axis. It lies on x-axis. Then 1, 2 lies on first quadrant. Then -3, -5 lies in -3, -5 lies in third quadrant. Quadrant number 3. So now you will plot all this point in Cartesian plan, and then you verify whether whatever we have written here is correct or not. So this part you will try yourself at home. Next, exercise 3, question number 2. So this you will try at home. See the question. Plot the points x, y in the Cartesian plan, choosing suitable units as distance on axis. So this question you will try to see the question. See the question now. Question number 2. Plot the following points x, y given in the table. Choosing suitable unit. Suitable units of distance on axis. On axis means x-axis and y-axis. So x, y -2, 8, -1, 7, 0, -1.25, 1, 3, 1. So here the points will be in this form: -2, 8, -1, 7, then 0, -1.25, 1.25, and then it will be 1, 3 and 3, -1. These are the points. So you will plot all these points yourself on graph paper. Any confusion, then you ask me. Okay, thank you.